What it is, guys, Simple Checks here, back at it with another video. In today's video, we'll be checking out an app called Testerup. But before the video starts, if any of you are interested in money apps, websites, and or just money in general, then you came to the right place. I test these apps and websites to see if they're suitable for my viewers, and if that interests you, then please subscribe, hit the bell's notification icon so you won't miss out on any new video. That being said, let's jump right into the video. So what is Testerup? Testerup Earn Money surveys and tests. Has a 4.3 star rating. What's new? Addressing tracking issues. That was like 3 weeks ago. Preview, outstanding feedback. Just some other stuff that looks like it's part of the app. Earn money online as an online tester as often and whenever you want. Join Germany's largest platform for paid online jobs and join over 2,900,000 online testers. After signing up for free, you'll immediately have access to countless online surveys and other product tests. Earn over $850 directly after download, whether on the go or from the comfort of your home. Maximum flexibility guaranteed. Choose from their largest assortment in the German-speaking area. Orders that fit you exactly. You'll be regularly invited to the latest product, website, and apps tests. Orders with multi-goals allow you to achieve higher earnings through continuous testing. Fast and secure payout, get paid within 24 hours. Upgrade to premium tester and earn exclusive access to higher paying assignments. Tested, verified, recommended. We value authenticity, and trustworthiness. Not for nothing, we are recommended by, not even gonna try to pronounce that. In addition, Testerup.com is certified with the, TUV Komai rating at a 4.3 out of 5. It's German, I can't speak that, but yeah, that's kind of what Testerup is, or what it is. How Testerup works is once you register to become a free member, you can get paid for testing apps and products. You'll also get paid for completing tasks and surveys on the app. If you complete several offers, you'll be upgraded to a premium member, which then allows you to get higher paying offers. So my experience with Testerup wasn't bad at first. The app had a lot of tasks for me to do. I didn't take any surveys and didn't see any of the products that they claimed to have on their website. Some of the tasks and surveys that I saw were locked behind being a premium member, which wasn't a deal breaker for me because they did say you can become a premium member for free after you completed several tasks on the app. That being said, later on I had many problems with the app. Starting off with the user interface, the UI seemed good at first, like it was easy to scroll and look for tasks. But once you click on a task or maybe tinker with the settings on the app, it would sometimes take a while for it to load. And I thought it was a problem for my phone or maybe an internet connection, but I checked my other apps on my phone and they worked just fine, including the ones that also required an internet connection. So I think that was a problem on their end. Again, it happened sometimes and it didn't happen a lot through my use of the app, but when it did happen, it would either take a while for it to load or I'd be forced to quit the app and start it up again. Now let's talk about the task of Testerup. One of the tasks that I decided to try was to reach level 60 in Coin Master, explore the amazing world. My reward for completing this task would have been $72.50. Now, what Testerup does is different from other apps I've tested in the past. The way Testerup is set up is it seemed like you can get paid for your progress. Like you can get paid for each level you completed. For example, if you completed village level 1 to 4 on Coin Master and your total would be $5.50, and you can leave the task early and only get paid $5.50 instead of the full amount of $72.50, because for you to get $72.50, you had to reach level 60. The only thing I could kind of find to back up what I was saying was on the app description of the task. The task description says, this is an offer with multiple goals. It's up to you how long you want to play. You can end the game at any time. However, to get merit, you have to reach level 1. You have a maximum of 40 days to complete the goals. Your goals are processed automatically. Complete the offer to receive your earnings in your account. Now this got me really interested in the app because other apps I've tested in the past that had tasks, I'd have to complete the entire task to be rewarded with either money or credits, which then I had to redeem for either real money or gift cards. Needless to say, I was super excited to try this app out. I played Coinmaster Explore the Amazing World, and I only reached level 11 out of 60, which in turn meant that I had at least earned $15 testing out Coinmaster, but the problem was my balance was still at 0. Now I figured the app was taking a while to load my progress on the app, not to mention I allowed the app to track my progress, so I was confused but not worried. Again, I just figured the app was being slow, and if there was a problem I would just get in contact with the people on the app's help section and get this all figured out. In hindsight, I should have tried to resolve the problem there, but I didn't, so I moved on to another task to do, and that task was to reach level 50 in dice streams. I got to a level 14 on dice streams before I stopped. My total earnings from the start of level 1 to 14 should have been $3. It's not a lot compared to Coinmaster, but $3 is better than nothing. Unfortunately, nothing is still what I got. My balance was still at 0, so that meant I had to try to get in contact with anyone working on the Testerup app. I got Testerup's company email and emailed them letting them know none of my progress was being tracked, even though I allowed tracking on my device, and I did not use a VPN and all that other stuff. I left my complaint and waited and waited and waited even more before I gave up. And it's not like I emailed them once and then gave up. I emailed them a couple of times letting them know, like, hey, what's going on? Why is my thing not progressed? My balance is still at 0 and stuff like that, but they just never got back to me, so. To sum up my overall thoughts on the Testerup app is the phrase, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. I thought this app was going to be like a really good app to make some extra side money with, but all it did was just waste my time. I wouldn't recommend Testerup to anyone, especially since they can't get back to people on time, or even at all. I'd have to rate this app 1 star out of 5, and I would also have to place this app/website in a scam territory. Please do not waste your time on Testerup. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Also leave a comment on what apps and websites I should try next, and or comment on what you thought of the video. Also, there's a donation link in the description if you want to help out the channel. Anything helps, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.